Hi students, today again I am here to discuss the levels of managements. So what is this levels of management? As we have discussed earlier that any organization consisting of a group of people performing their jobs in the different levels assigned by their superiors. So to have a clear idea regarding the levels of managements, we need to have a discussion upon what these levels of management are. So you can see levels of managements in any organizations. There you will find the three levels of managements, that is top level, middle level and lower level. So what is this top level management and middle level managements and lower level managements? We will have some discussion today, and who are the peoples in the top level and who are in the middle level and lower level, and what are their functions. So in brief I have written in blackboard. By this you can have some idea regarding these three levels of managements. You can say the levels of management or the hierarchy of management. So now in top levels, who are there? In top levels you will see the people those who are working in the supermost position in of an organizations, means the people those who are in higher levels of the organizations. For example, BODs, that is board of directors, CEO, chief executive officers, chairmen, MD, managing director or presidents. These are the people those who are in the top level. Now similarly in this middle level, means between the lower level and the top level, the people those who are working in a organizations, they are said to be as a middle level uh, people. Like all the departments are heads, you can say, like finance manager, uh, production manager, or you can say the sales manager or accounting manager. In this way there are the different you can say the departments. All those departments are having each one head, and they are said to be as the middle level uh, middle level officers or middle level people, those who are working in the different departments under the top level management. Thirdly, the lower level managements. So who are there in the lower level managements? Now, lower level management consisting of supervisor, foreman, inspector, etc. Means these are the people those who are getting the direction from the middle level uh, to do the work with the help of their workforce. So people those who are having in the, means the people those who are directly having a link with the workforce, they are said to be as a you can say the lower level managements. Now these people are just below the middle level managements or below the different departments heads. Means one departments, say for example if you are having account departments, now account departments will be having accounting managers, and under accounting managers you will be having the different assistants accounting managers, and they will be having some of their say supervisors or foremen by which they will be executing their works. So these are the three levels of the managements that you can have a clear view regarding the triangle shapes. That means from top to bottom you will be having more and more people. So that is why it is taking as a triangular shapes. So in next video we will discuss about the functions of the managements.